Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I'm going to answer a question somebody had left in the comments for me. They had asked about how the Hobonichi Cousin over time deals with the stickers, because I do use a lot of stickers in my planning, and I know a lot of people are concerned about how does it bulk up because the pages are so thin, and how does it really handle those stickers. So I figured today I'd kind of do a little bit of a flip through of the spreads I've done through the year and show you a little bit of how the Hobonichi is handling that. So it is obviously bulking up quite a bit. It'll be quite chunky by the end of the year. I will say that in retrospect, I probably should have gotten the AVAC because I do enjoy stickering so much. I did get that in a previous year. I can't find both. I know I've put them in a safe place and I just can't remember where. But this is one of the AVACs. This is from 2022, which was, I think, the first year that I used this system. They just haven't come out with an English AVAC, which is why I ended up with the full year version. But having it split into two really helps a little bit with being able to handle all of the stickers. You can kind of see how much it bulked up over about half a year. And I think this middle section here, I didn't do a whole lot of anything with that. So that being said, I'll kind of flip you through everything. So I didn't do a whole lot of stickering here. I do have this. I need to go back and write in wins. I do have wins that can be put on here. I haven't done, I want to get back to this, but I haven't. So there's not a lot of stickers there. And this first month, I didn't do anything here. This was a minimal kind of sticker. This was a part of a journaling kit, I believe, that was like leftovers. If memory serves, and just a fountain pen, and this worked really well. This was a Cocoa Daisy subscription kit, and I think this was the weeks version, and I liked playing around with this. This was, again, a journaling kit, I believe, in transparent matte. So what I will say is the transparent matte that a lot of shops are using, which is different than washi stickers, by the way. Works really well, doesn't bulk up a whole lot. You do feel it when you run your hand along the paper, but it's not like you would with the paper stickers. The matte paper stickers there. How's that? So just food for thought on that. These stickers do bulk it up a lot more than, say, these type of stickers. So if you do want to sticker it up, but you are concerned about the bulk, I would stick to the transparent or the washi type stickers. So that was March. April, I used a kit from Planner Kate, and this was more functional than decorative because I like to switch it up and do a little of both. This is this month's overview, and I'm overall pretty happy with this. You can feel it if you run your hand across here, and I am starting to get some bumpiness when I'm writing on when I am writing on the paper. So one thing I do to help alleviate that is I do have a pencil board that I can slip in here. And then, yes, I'm getting a little bit of the bumpiness for one page of stickers, but it's very different than getting the buildup of stickers for multiple pages, if that makes sense. So that's an easy fix. So that's all we've gotten so far there. As far as weeks go, so this was a old sterling ink kit. This was just, it was from Letters to Apollo, and she had some coordinating boxes as well as decorative florals that kind of matched. This is Sweet Kawaii Design. Now this is another type of sticker that is very, very thin. So this is, what does she call it? Like a vinyl matte sticker. And so these are extremely thin. They go down really nice. They do not bulk up a lot. Like I almost think they're thinner than the transparent matte stickers that you see in a lot of shops. The downside of that is you do have to write on these with a permanent pen. I think you can also use a rollerball pen, but you cannot use gel. And obviously I can't use my fountain pens with that. But I do really appreciate her kits. This was, Oh Hello Robin. She's a small shop on Etsy. This was, I think, leftovers from a kit from Hello Petite Paper. Then we have another Sweet Kawaii Designs. This was probably so far my favorite spread, honestly. So this is transparent matte stickers from Paper Trail Plans. This washi strip was from Sadie Stickers, and these were from Paper Trail Plans as well. I really adored the way this came together. The only problem is that, again, you cannot write with your fountain pen on the transparent matte stickers. So it does, like if you have a lot of things that you need to put in here, it makes it really hard. Then we had this week, this was with Coco Daisy with their classic cousin kit. I did write on here with my fountain pen because these are just a matte sticker. It does kind of feather a little bit on the edges, but it is okay. This was Simply Gilded. I wanted to see how one of her kits would work in here. Obviously, I didn't come back in and write a whole lot this week. This was another Sweet Kawaii Design. I tend to use these when life has been really busy because they go together so easily, and it's just, I don't know, it's very little thought needs to take place to do them, I think. This was another Sweet Kawaii Design. This was Virgo and Paper. These are one-page kits, and they are pretty cheap. This is Coffee Monster Co. This was a 7x9 kit that I'd had for a couple of years. I can't remember the name of the shop off the top of my head, but I did expand it over 2 weeks because of, I was going to Disney like midway through the week and not getting back until the midway point through the next week. So it made sense to me to plan out both. And then I didn't get to this part of the week when I got back, really. This is a Hello Petite Paper journaling kit, I believe. So the journaling kits work really well, incidentally. And this is matte paper here, not the transparent matte. This was just some leftover stickers. I used some icon stickers. These are Joy of Planning on Etsy. I love her. This is a Paper Doll Co. girl. And then the washi with the days is just from Simply Gilded, and this is Coffee Monsters Co. down here, I'm pretty sure. And this one too. This was a couple weeks ago. I just put out this Plan With Me. Sorry guys, I got really behind in April and I'm trying to figure that all out. But this was a Planning with Jazz, I think was the name of the kit, or the company, and she had a Star Wars kit. It was just a small little kit, so I used that on this week. And then this was this is Sadie Stickers journaling kit with White Deer stationery icons because they go together so nice. Actually, I haven't removed my bookmark. And then this is this week. So you get a kind of a preview of a Plan With Me coming. So this one was very minimal. This is sterling ink stickers here. I used some ink at the top just to add splotches, and then some Moxie Life washi tape and dot markers, and then my fountain pens. So that's all that I have so far as the weekly views. And then for all of this. So this is the amount of stickers on the daily pages varies. Sometimes I don't use the daily pages. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I put the big. These are from Sweet Kawaii Designs. This was just a large sticker. It might have been a Happy Planner sticker, honestly. This was part of a kit. I was going to use it throughout the week, and yeah, that didn't happen. This is me scribbling, trying to get the Jinhao to work. I did miss some days here. These were transparent matte stickers, and I picked them up at a planning event, leftover snowflakes from Oh Hello Robin, and some washi tape from Once More with Love. Another sticker there, blank page, some more stickers in here. I think these were all on the same page. These were January inks. Missed a bunch of pages in here. This was me using up what was left of that February kit that I adored. And I planned these out, and then I didn't utilize them. I did another big sticker here. This was February. These were leftovers of the Cocoa Daisy kits. And I really enjoyed how these came together back here. This was me doing Simply Gilded back here, just kind of looking at it. March inks, big sticker. I think, was it March? I didn't get a whole lot in here at all. It might be. So I do have a lot of blank pages. This is, again, leftovers, and then I didn't get back to it. This was like a one-page kit that I was using up. These were leftovers in the back, like I have a leftover sticker book. These were leftovers from the planner cake kits that I had gotten. And then again, nothing for a couple pages. This is just a regular 7x9 kit that I wanted to try out. Missed some pages. I'm sorry, I'm not super consistent in the back. This was me testing out the Wearing Girl Peter Pan Wendy ink and trying to get it to work in a broad nib and see what that looked like. It is so, so light. These were just leftover stickers that 7x9 kit. I was bringing some of that in here. Some blank pages again. So more of that leftover April kit from Planner Kate. And then this is the beginning of this month with Cocoa Daisy's leftover stickers here. Well, anyhow, and then I wanted to finish up. I was trying to use up all of this April kit. Missed some days. Just writing in there. I was trying to, this was Ferris Wheel Press Majestic Maple Syrup, which is an ink I've decided that I don't like writing with because I think it's too light. It does darken up when it dries, but as you're writing, it's actually really hard to see for me personally. And I think that's all I have in here so far, because I haven't, and I do have some things here at the back that I haven't been the best at doing stuff with. But just to give you an idea of the sticker capacity. So I don't have a non-used Hobonichi Cousin. Hold on, let me pull both of it. Okay, you come out. So you can see it without the cover on, and that is a Hobonichi themselves cover that I got directly from them. Love it. So that's kind of how it's bulked up so far. So I think I'm going to be okay. It is going to be chunky by the end of the year, like really chunky. But I think as far as writing in it and everything, as long as I use a pencil board, I think I'm going to be okay. Now, it does at this point not close. Like, I can probably get it to close, but for the most part, it wants to, there's enough tension on the binding that it does kind of just want to be open. So there is that, but overall, I'm still pretty happy with this. And I absolutely adore this protective cover that I'd found on Etsy. I'm so sad that the company that made this is out of business and I can't get it any more from them. But anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that was helpful. If you guys have additional questions on that, go ahead and leave them down below. It may take me a while to, if there's one that needs a video to get to that, but I do try to do that. So anyhow, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and until next time, I'll see you real soon.